Hi, I'm Sam from Interface, Bitrix24 Gold Partners. In today's quick win demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can clean up the items within a CRM record. So let's head over to our Bitrix24 CRM, and I'm going to show you how we can clean up the lead record, but it's the same across deals, contacts, companies, and SPA records. So first of all, on the left-hand side here, we have lots of pieces of information stored in fields. Now, if you needed to hide some of that information to clean up the UI here on the left-hand side, I can click on hide to remove information. Across the top here, we have different tabs that displays different pieces of information. Now, again, not all of this information may be necessary for you to view in the record. So what we can do, if we want to hide some of these items, I can click on Configure menu, and then I can hover over each item here and move this into the hidden section. So we can clean up the information that's visible here across the top of the lead record. And then on the right hand side here in the activity stream, we have the different items here that we can select from. And once again, you may not need to use all of these different items. So we can click on Configure menu and we can move these items into the hidden section if they aren't required. So once again, here on the right hand side, we can clean up the items that are viewable. So now we can see we've now cleaned up the lead record page. Okay, so that's today's quick win video. Please join us for upcoming quick win videos available on our YouTube channel.